Hi everyone, so this is just another little quick kit. So it's Halloween themed with pumpkins. So we've got an envelope, we've got 4 journal cards here, we have got 3 grungy tags there, then we have another load of grungy tags. Here's, I've got everything in the way, and then here we have got a pocket, so that goes onto there and that fits in there, and so do the other tags. They would fit in there, so if you wanted to print that off a few times you can do. And then you've got pockets, and you can use you could use these to pop on your tags, and you have the envelope. So it's just a little thing that I've put together. This will be on my coffee shop if you're interested. I will put a direct link below. Thanks for watching. Bye.